This Jaqua Realtors property video is presented by Aubrey Butler. Charming two-story located downtown South Haven in the popular South Beach neighborhood. This 3-bed/2-bath home is waiting for you. Main 4-bedroom and bath with jetted tub. Main 4 laundry, wood floors throughout the living/dining room, and an updated kitchen with new stainless steel stove. Upstairs features 2 spacious, well-lit bedrooms and a full bathroom. Relax and entertain in this home's unique fenced-in backyard with a patio, perennial gardens, fire pit, and a covered porch that would make the perfect tiki bar. 1-car garage perfect for storing those extra toys. Spend summer strolling to the sandy beaches, farmers market, local restaurants, and shops. Successful vacation rental with history and certificate in place. Average